What's up guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make multiple $250 commissions with this automated system. But before I do that guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out when I drop a video on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so how to make multiple 250 commissions daily. Alright, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Alright guys, so the system is called $25 1UP. Alright, I have multiple videos on it on my YouTube channel. You can check them out, but we're going to focus on this one level that is inside $25 1UP, which is a digital product guys that comes with training and resources, and also you can earn from it. So I'm going to talk about this level guys. Alright, so with the diamond level guys, you get digital marketing lifestyle training. You have to know how to brand yourself in order to close high ticket offers. Alright guys, you also get the 10K blueprint. Oops, I forgot the B guys in my presentation. But guys, you also get the 10K blueprint once you join the diamond level. Alright, it comes with a lot of training on my back office and actually show you guys what you're going to get. You get modern day email marketing, how to sell t-shirts, which is really cool. If you ever wanted to know how to open your own t-shirt online business guys, you could use $25 1UP training how to do that. You could probably sell this marketing tool to somebody who's looking to open a t-shirt company. Okay, so it's multiple ways you can earn with $25 1UP. You get a Facebook group mastery, how to use Facebook Live effectively. Okay, so you just get a lot of more resources, and you also get the 2 lower levels, the gold and the platinum level, for free. Everything that comes with that, the pre-written ads, Facebook, Instagram training, YouTube training. You just get so much resources and tools that would allow you to make these type of commissions every single day. Alright, so it's 100% instant $250 commissions. Okay, this is how it works. This is the 2-step process. It's really simple. All you have to do is plug in different tools and resources and get traffic to the done for you websites, which I'm getting to in a second, and allow the system to do all the selling and the selling for you. So the diamond level, which is the diamond product, it's a digital product package. Okay, once you resell it to others through marketing online, you get paid 100% instant commissions of $250 directly to you. So you could use this system and you can get paid through PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Bitcoin Wallet guys, Zelle, whatever you like to use as your processor. You get paid instantly once someone buys this level from you. Okay, and once you join the system, we show you how to market effectively online to different people, and how to target a certain audience that will allow you to make this type of income. I personally will be hands-on with you once you come in at the 250 level. Alright, so let me come out of here and let me go to my back office. Alright, so here in my diamond products over here, this is what I get. Let me click my diamond products really quickly. Let me go to the training that we get, and here's everything that I was talking about. The digital lifestyle marketing, and you also get the 10K blueprint guys. This is really important. And alright, so I want to show you guys, this is not just like one long video, one boring video. It's multiple videos that's giving you pieces that most people don't have when it comes to making money online. So it's not like just, oh, I gotta watch this training, it's so long guys. It's literally, look at this, 4 minutes. It's stuff that you could use and start implementing today and get paid today. Okay, so it's not like it's like a book, like a big book that you have to read. I know it's a course. These are different courses, but it's not like a course that you would typically think of. Okay, this is something like, here's how you can make money with this type of way, and you use these different ways and apply it to your business, and you'll start getting income. And once again, I just thought it was really cool how you could sell the t-shirts, and the training that comes with it. You get multiple videos that is teaching you how to market a t-shirt business online. I'm thinking about opening up one myself, so I'm gonna use this training. this is another way you can get paid, because there's people out there who may have questions on how to open a t-shirt business online, and here you go. We provide this training, so they could come in at the diamond level just to get this training, and you made a commission. All right, look at it as how could you help somebody else? What problem can you solve? All right, so what problems can $25 one-up solve? It'll help you to get paid instantly, which is daily pay. No monthly fees. That could eliminate some of the worries that people may have when it comes to making money online. And really, with any business, there always is business expenses that you have to have monthly, but this is no monthly fee, so you get all of the profit 100%, and you don't have to pay any type of monthly fee to keep this system. You can always make money. So it's just a one-time fee of $250 to get started at this level, plus a $25 software fee that allows you to have access to this here, guys, to have access to all of this. Now, you also get the gold level and the platinum level for free. You get everything that comes with that, which is a lot of stuff, pre-written ads. You get Instagram, YouTube courses, and everything allows you to make more money online. So if you want to make $250 a day or more from your smartphone, and you've been looking for something that you could make money from, this is the time to start your online business. And what we offer allows you to get paid daily, instantly. So the problem of running out of money if you get let off from your job, or your job cut back on hours, or that you have a way to still make money or income to provide for your family with $25 one-up. So if you like this content, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, guys. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Also turn on that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.